gave us a hi. I think someone gave us a request or something. What was the request?
It was a comment.
It was a comment saying, "Please, I dare you to beat up a stuffed animal." Well,
That you hate,
please. So I guess here we are.
Yeah.
And he's the one
Beating up
kitty.
Kitty.
Sorry.
Sorry guys, that was our fan.
That's a
Big fat bitch she's gonna beat. And I'm gonna beat up Kitty.
kitty. But don't worry, we are not gonna cut this open.
No.
Or should we cut it open?
Yeah.
Or should we just cut it open?
No, that would be a whole bunch of stuffing everywhere. Whole bunch of stuffing and beads. Alright, let's start.
Yours would be beads and mine would be stuffed.
No, mine is stuff.
Mine is stuffed.
Feel it! Stuff!
Well, mine would have
Some beads. Alright, let's just
some
up.
beads.
I guess I do have this lucky necklace. Keeps me lucky.
I don't know what the heck is in his tail.
That is his puffy tail, and this is her tail. Alright, let's start. We're gonna start with our kitty.
Okay, he's gonna do the kitty first. Here we go. Okay, he's got you.
You are gonna beat him up!
Beat him up! He can be easy. Put him in the nose. Here you go, a big guy. It's really hard to beat him up. I wish we could cut him up. But our mom would be people off. Well, there you go. That was the request. Bye!